Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Squarespace scheduling. First, navigate to the scheduling panel within your Squarespace account. This is your central hub for all appointment management. Next, define your regular business hours and specific availability for each day of the week. It's also crucial to sync your personal calendars, such as Google Calendar or Outlook, to automatically block out any unavailable times, ensuring you avoid accidental double bookings. Now let's define the services you offer. Create individual appointment types for each service, like a 30-minute consultation or a 60-minute coaching session. For each service, clearly set its duration and the corresponding price. You can also add buffer time between appointments, which is helpful for preparation or travel, ensuring you have adequate breaks throughout your day. Next, personalize the client experience. Design custom intake forms to gather necessary information from clients during booking, ensuring you are well prepared for each appointment. Tailor the automated confirmation and reminder emails to reflect your brand, providing a professional touch. Additionally, configure your payment options, such as Stripe or PayPal, and clearly outline your cancellation and rescheduling policies to manage client expectations effectively. Finally, it's time to integrate your scheduling system and go live. Add a dedicated scheduling block or a direct link to your Squarespace website, making it easy for clients to find and book. Before officially launching, thoroughly test the entire booking process yourself to ensure a seamless experience. Once live, regularly monitor your appointments and actively gather client feedback to continuously optimize your scheduling system for maximum efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.